In this lecture, we're going to show how to create driven dimensions. To create driven dimensions, we have to go to Notation tab, and here we have Smart Dimension tool. So let's choose this. And now we can put dimension here anywhere we want. For example, this one here, and this is 100 millimeters. As we shown previously, if we double click here, we can't change this dimension because this is driven dimensions only as a representation of the model dimensions. Now let's go here to Smart Dimension again. Let's go here to Dimension Assist Tools. Here we have one option, Rapid Dimensioning. So let's check this one. Now let's click on this line, and here as you can see we have two semicircles. Now here, if we go mouse to the left side, we have active this one, the yellow one, semicircle. If we go to the right side, then our dimension goes to the right side, and the semicircle that is active is on the right side, as you can see. So we can choose here to the left or right side. So this is the rapid dimensioning. So you can choose here or here, like this. So let's go here to this line. And here we can also choose if we want a dimension on the left side or the right side. So we can just click here, and now we have on the right side our dimension. Now if we go here to the circle, here we have four options where we want to put this diameter. We can go to the right upper side, we can go down, we can go to the left side, down and up, like this. So let's choose this one. As well here, if you go here, we can put an angle here, like this. And now you can choose the position of your dimension. Let's go with this one, like this. Let's click OK. So this is how you can create driven dimensions on the drawing sheet.